Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about some more adjustments on dissolution of partnership. So this is part 2 of the previous video. If you haven't seen the previous video, do check that out. There are some important adjustments that is discussed and some of the points which students miss out most of the times and end up making mistakes. So let's have a look here. This is about treatment of reserves and accumulated profits. If you have undistributed profits and losses and reserves which are given in the question, then these are always transferred to the partner's capital account and are distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. And these are not transferred to the realization account. Like general reserve, reserve fund, profit and loss account, these are debited to partner's capital account, right? In their profit sharing ratio. And if there is an accumulated loss, the reverse is the entry partner's capital account is debited to profit and loss account, right? Now, again, in relation to the previous video, always keep in mind if any of the reserves have a relevant asset tagged to it, in that case, both the asset and that reserve goes to the realization account. If you have any confusion, do check out the previous video, it will clarify. The next one that we have is treatment of partner's loan. We have discussed a few cases in the previous one. However, let's be more clarified here. If a partner has given any loan to the firm, first of all, it will be shown on the credit side of the partner's loan account. Okay, like straight away you prepare the partner's loan account and you show it on the credit side as the loan balance, right? And when all the outside liabilities are paid in full, afterwards this loan will be paid off as well. That means so partner's loan account is prepared separately and paid off by passing the below journal entry. As you can see, partner's loan account debit to cash bank. The loan is paid off. Important point to note here that partner's loan account is prepared before partner's capital accounts because at the time of dissolution, capitals are paid off only if any balance is left after payment of partner's loan, right? So that is the point to be kept in mind. Next is about treatment of goodwill. In case of dissolution of a firm, goodwill should be treated just like other assets if nothing is mentioned about the relation of goodwill. So it can be assumed that the goodwill is valueless and as such nothing is received or realized from it. Okay, and this will clarify again if you go to the previous one. Last one that we have is about treatment of cash or bank. All the receipts are recorded on the debit side and all the payments are recorded on the credit side of cash account. Okay, any amount which is there in the realization account are transferred to the cash or the bank at the end. At the time of dissolution, this dissolution is closed at the last and total of both the sides, debit and credit, must be equal. And that will confirm that all accounts are closed and there is nothing left. So it also helps in getting the arithmetical accuracy of the accounts at the time of dissolution. Now, if both cash and bank balances are given in the balance sheet, only one account, either cash or bank account, is prepared. So you can use the below journal which is given. You transfer the bank balance to cash or the cash balance to bank as per the below journal, right? Only one account is to be prepared, rest is transferred to the other one. All right, so that is what is important to be kept in mind. Now, some of the students have asked me about a question on goodwill. Like in admission, retirement, and death, we have seen that the goodwill is distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. But that is not the case in dissolution. Goodwill will be treated like just any other asset and will be transferred to realization account. If there is a realized value which is given, then we credit that in the realization account by bank account. Otherwise, this is considered to be realized nothing. All right, hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments box below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. If you find this useful, do hit the like button and do share with your friends. Stay tuned for more such videos. If you have any doubts, any video you want me to cover, then do let me know. Thanks for watching.